Hi, my stylists. In this video, Jaden and I are going to show you how we put together this beautiful brown balloon garland. Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and take out 17-inch blush balloons from Tuftex. I have a lot of the balloons already blown up. This is a pro tip. This helps setup go a lot faster. I'm going to take it and I'm going to go ahead and position it where I want it to be onto the balloon arch. Now, because I'm not tall enough, I'm going to have Jaden actually come in with a 260 balloon and secure it. Next, I'm going in with 11-inch chocolate brown balloons, also from Tuftex. For the chocolate balloons, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it to be the same size as the blush balloons. Because I'm using 11 inches in comparison to the 17-inch blush balloons, I'm trying to add on as much chocolate balloons as I can just to get it to the same width and the same length as the blush balloons. But in a second, you're going to see that I'm actually going to go ahead and cut it off because I didn't like the way that it looked overall. But that's just the whole gist of it, just playing with it and figuring out what I like, taking steps back and just taking a look at it and figuring out how I want to balance out the different shades of brown. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check out part 1 where we break down the section where we show you how to make quads and how to make clusters. So these balloons that I have right now that I'm attaching to the garland are actually 17 inches and they are in the shade of Cocoa, also from Tuftex. Because I want the garland to be somewhat symmetrical in terms of the color, I'm going to go ahead and add the blush onto the arch where I want it to be. That way I can work towards the middle and get a better balance of the colors and know what I'm working with. Now it's just a matter of closing the gap between the two blushes using shades of that chocolate 11 inches and the 17-inch Cocoa. I decided to add a touch of gold at the ends of the garlands. These are 11-inch chrome balloons from Qualatex. At this point, the foundation of the balloon garland is now complete. This is called the bare bones of the balloon garland. So now my job is to go ahead and start filling in any gaps that I may see. So I'm going to go in with 11 inches and 5 inches and fill in any gaps that I see and just try to make sure that the garland looks nice, full, and complete. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below what you're thinking, and subscribe. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the 5-inch balloons. This is in the shade of Mocha, and these balloons are from Qualatex. I decided to add the Mocha cluster right next to the 11-inch chocolate balloons because I wanted the garland to have a little bit of a S silhouette to it, as opposed to just being a straight diagonal line through the arch. While trying to maintain this beautiful silhouette that we got going on, I'm going to go ahead and keep adding in 5-inch balloons, 12-inch balloons, pretty much anything that I think is going to make the gaps look smaller and pretty much just make the garland look nice and full and thick. You know, I love me a nice, thick, juicy, voluptuous garland. The garland ended up kind of losing its silhouette shape a little bit, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna keep tweaking it until I get it back to where I like it, because I like the curvature that it had before. And in this moment, for some reason, the chocolate 11 inches balloon would not just stay in place. So what I'm doing now, I'm just constantly going back and adjusting it and adding balloons and taking away and trying to get it back to where I like it. As I added more and more balloons to the garland, the 260 balloons that I was using to secure the balloon garland together became more and more thinned out. So I'm going to take this yellow balloon ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and resecure the entire garland together using the ribbon. When you notice your 260s or whatever material you're using to connect your garland together is becoming super thin and worn out, it's very important to add extra security, or you risk the chance of your balloon job or whatever you created falling apart. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Mocha balloons. I'm going to add some final touches by just adding it in between the blush and the gold and the ends of the garland. And just like that, my friends, it is done. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Go ahead and comment down below, give us a like and subscribe while you are here.
Period. That's how Hooper you came.
Period. That's how cool. That's how Jaden promised. Period. The one thing about Jaden, he gonna make up a quad.
Amen.
Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.